All right, stop the holler, man.
Too deep! Too deep! Cold! I'm gonna go over with that. Okay. What is that?
I don't know.
Damn, my feet cold. Dad, go get it. Come to you. Move! Stop ice, Dooney. Dooney, just step on ice. Dooney. Thank you. No, don't break it. Dad, it's still gotta get it. Down there, just step over there. Look, yo. Oh, this ice. No! Look, you're a slippery slide. That's me.
Whoa!
Help me. Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Do it! Do it! Ah!
Whoa!
Oh, I'm going over there. I thought I walked over here. I'm gonna go over there. Yeah, me too. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna have to. 3. Don't care about the water. Here. I can't.
I think this is where we going up at right here. It's about to get dark out here, y'all.
Come on, let's before we go. Here. Oh! Yeah, do you want to slip right there? What? What's that? Yo, you got to slip. This part.
No, I ain't. Right here in the hood, y'all. I think we're gonna go up this hill. Oh! I'm sliding, y'all. I'm sliding, y'all need help. No, I don't. No, I don't. Then you have a hat on?
I'm gonna have it right here. I took it off because I'm dance. Took it off.
That's
Dad!
the ice right there
Where?
that you standing on.
It's slippery.
It's too slippery. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go that way.
You're going there already. Come on, Dad. Yeah.
Don't grab me.
Come on, down in the car.
All right, come on. We about to go up.
Come on, Dad, go down.
No, we about to go up.
This whole look.
This is the lowest part right here. We ain't gonna be able to get up no other hill when it's about to get dark.
You gonna go this one down?
Dang, I shouldn't have came with this. Yeah, we're gonna have to go up one of these hills right here. I'm thinking maybe the rocks, go up the rocks and then go up sideways that way. What y'all think? Come on, man. It's snowing too. Come on, man. It is snowing.
Oh! Oh, very heavy!
All right, come on. We gotta go up this hill. That's too icy right there, man. You ready to go home?
Yes.
Me too.
Me too. It hurts. My fingers.
Oh, whoa. Oh.
They bringing him down. Yeah, I want you. They want you down.
All right, come on.
Help me. Yeah, my fingers cold. Mine too. I'm gonna work on this pipe. I don't want to work on this pipe.
So how we gonna get across? No, we gotta go over this one. Unless y'all wanna go up this one.
Yeah, this one.
This one easier, you
No,
think?
this one. Cause look, it's ice. Still ice right here. No.
No, let's go up this one.
Bro. No, come on. Oh my God. I just want to play with the ice because it's slippery and funny. Ooh, my fingers. Damn, I'm climb this. Oh, fingers. We're about to fall off. Say hot, isn't it hot? No, they cold.